Welcome back to another exciting episode on digital skills in high demand. You can learn and be successful in this digital era. My name is Joy.
And I am Betty. Today we're exploring a visually appealing and creative field, motion graphics.
That's right. In this episode, we will explore what motion graphics is all about, why they are essential in today's digital landscape, the benefits of mastering motion graphics, and how you can learn it here at Bismarck Technologies.
Now let's get into what motion graphics is. Motion graphics are animated designs that create the illusion of motion or transformation. They combine graphics design and animation techniques to make static images come to life.
Yes, you will find motion graphics in various applications, including advertisements, title sequence in films, explorer videos, and social media content.
Importance of motion graphics in today's digital world. Motion graphics are important for grabbing viewers' attention and delivering complex information quickly. They help to engage audiences and enhance storytelling by making content more dynamic and memorable.
Absolutely. Motion graphics is a powerful tool for brands and businesses looking to stand out in a crowded marketplace and effectively communicate their messages.
Benefits of learning motion graphics. Learning motion graphics equips you with a skill set that is highly sought after in the creative industry. You will gain expertise in animation software, graphic design principles, and storytelling techniques.
You should know that mastering motion graphics allows you to express your creativity while working on exciting projects that have a real impact on audience.
How to learn motion graphics at Bismarck Technologies. At Bismarck Technologies, we offer a comprehensive course on motion graphics training program that covers essential tools and techniques where you will learn how to use Adobe After Effects, animation principles, and graphic design fundamentals.
With Bismarck Technologies' hands-on training approach, you will work on real-world projects, enabling you to apply your skills and build a strong portfolio that showcases your motion graphics expertise to potential employers.
Now let's talk about the career opportunities in motion graphics. With motion graphics skill, you can pursue various career paths such as motion graphics designer, video editor, animator, or a visual effects artist.
The demand for skilled motion graphics professionals is growing rapidly, leading to competitive salaries and exciting job opportunities across various industries, including advertising, entertainment, and education.
Now let's talk about opportunities in Nigeria and abroad. In Nigeria, the demand for motion graphics is on the rise as more businesses continue to turn to animated content to help them enhance their marketing strategies and engage their audiences.
Internationally, motion graphics skills are highly sought after, providing numerous opportunities for remote work and collaboration with global teams on innovative projects.
Now, why should someone learn motion graphics? Learning motion graphics empowers you with the skill set to create content that influences and inspires others. It is a skill that combines creativity and technology, which opens doors for innovation.
With Bismarck Technologies hands-on training, you will gain the confidence and expertise needed to thrive in this dynamic and exciting industry. If you're ready to embark on your journey in motion graphics, check out Bismarck Technologies training program. This could be your gateway to a successful career in tech.
Thanks for joining us in today's episode. Remember, each skill we cover in this series is key to unlocking job opportunities in 2025 and beyond.
See you in the next episode. Bye.